Hi everyone, welcome to Diana's Table. Today I'm going to be making 우엉잡채. Japchae in Korean means different kinds of vegetables mixed together. But I'm going to be using 우엉, which is burdock, and it's supposed to be really healthy and good for you. And I would like to make this 우엉잡채 for my friend Oki, who is in New York, and she's recovering from her cancer surgery. I hope that this will help her to recover quickly, and I hope to see her energetic and happy self again soon. So let's get started. We're going to be using burdock root, which comes very long like this, and I've peeled it. And I'm going to use this instead of the noodles that we use in regular japchae. It turns color very quickly, so I already prepared some water with few drops of vinegar to keep the color white. I'm trying this for the first time. I just got this gadget, which is a potato peeler and a shredder. So let me try it, see if it works. My goodness, it does work. Look at this, how beautiful. So you just cut the burdock almost like noodles, right? I'm going to prepare the other vegetables, the carrots, paprika. I'm using 3 different colors, shiitake mushroom, and onions. I need to chop or slice it the same way or same thinness as the burdock that I have here. So I'll try the carrot with the same gadget, and it works really well. I'm really surprised. Really saves time and energy here. I have 2 eggs separated into egg yolk and egg whites to make egg pancake. You have to be very patient when you're cooking eggs. I'm not a very patient person, so I always mess it up. So this time I try my best to wait for the egg to cook a little more. Now that we have all the vegetables prepared, we're now ready to cook them. Start with the burdock first. Notice that I'm just putting it without any oil into the heated pan. And last week we made some low sodium soy sauce. We're going to add a tablespoonful of soy sauce and some perilla oil. If you don't have perilla oil, you can use sesame oil. So, equal amount of soy sauce with perilla oil, little bit of sugar, and for the burdock, it's very important to put in some ginger, and little bit, maybe a teaspoonful of garlic. It takes longer for the burdock to cook, but because it's very thinly sliced, I would cook it only for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want to overcook it. You want to be able to taste the sort of the crunchiness when you bite into it. So I have cooked all of the vegetables separately. It's really important to cook them separately so that each of the vegetables maintain their own unique taste. It's easier sometimes to cook them all together and it saves time. But for japchae, I always think that it's important to cook the vegetables and the meats and the noodles all separately and then mix it all together right before you add the final seasoning. So I have all the burdock and all the vegetables here, and actually I find it easier to mix it with my hand. So So I'll do that. Look how beautiful the burdock looks. It's very, almost like a noodle. Very colorful dish, but very healthy. Right. So let me taste one and see if I needs more seasoning. I think it's fine as it is right now, but just to add little sort of the final touch to the taste, I will add a little bit more of the perilla oil, just a pinch. Maybe 1 teaspoonful of the low sodium soy sauce, and a pinch of sugar, not much. And of course, freshly ground pepper. The remaining ginger. It's very important to use the ginger, fresh ginger, just the juice. The reason I use ginger is because it goes really well with burdock. Burdock and ginger are in harmony in terms of their characteristics. It's good for your health and also it will taste good. So I mix it all together again. After you mixed all the vegetables and seasoned it, I'm going to put in the eggs now. You don't want to season it with the eggs because then the eggs break and then it becomes sort of messy. So it's always nice to add the eggs at last. That way you can keep it pretty and also keep the taste of eggs alive. I'm ready to plate, and a very nice big plate here. Very colorful, healthy, and very tasty meal. We usually eat this as banchan, but you can also use it over rice as japchae. The remaining eggs, I'm going to sprinkle a little more on top just to add more color to it. So today's 우엉잡채 or burdock japchae is ready. This is actually for all of you out there who are not feeling well, who are recovering from your health issues, and especially for you, Oki. I hope you will enjoy it.